If you want to make your Elementor headings stand out, one of the easiest things you can do is apply a different color to your text. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change the text color in a heading widget, how to use a custom hex code, and how to remove any unwanted stroke or outline if it appears. This is a simple design trick, but it can make a huge difference in how professional your page looks. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Elementor tutorials. It really helps support the channel and keeps more step-by-step guides coming your way. Alright, let's jump into Elementor. First, click on the heading widget on your canvas. This will open the widget settings in the panel on the left. Once the settings appear, you'll want to move over to the Style tab. The Style tab is where Elementor gives you control over the visual appearance of your heading, including typography, color, spacing, and more. Now look for the typography section. Inside that section, you should see the text color option. This is the setting that controls the color of your heading text. Click the small color square next to it, and Elementor will open the color picker. From here, you can choose any color you want by clicking in the palette or dragging the selector to the exact shade that matches your design. If you already know the exact color you want, you can use a hex code instead. Just click into the color field and type your custom hex value directly. This is especially useful if you're matching brand colors or trying to keep your site design consistent across multiple pages. Using hex codes is a great habit if you want precise control over your Elementor styling. Now, if your heading has an outline or stroke that you don't want, don't worry, because that can usually be fixed too. Scroll further down within the Style tab until you find the text stroke settings. Depending on your design, that stroke may be creating a border effect around the letters. You can either clear the stroke color completely or change it so it blends better with your heading. This is a useful step if your text looks too heavy or if the outline is distracting from the overall design. Take a moment to preview the heading after making your changes. Make sure the text color is readable, visually appealing, and aligned with the rest of your layout. A small color change can help important headings pop and improve the overall look of your page. Once you're happy with the result, go to the top right of the screen and click Publish to save your changes. If you don't publish, your edits won't be live on the website, so this final step is important. And that's it. You've now learned how to apply a different color to text in headings in Elementor, use a custom hex code, and adjust the stroke if needed. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Elementor tips, WordPress tutorials, and beginner-friendly web design guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.